Hello everyone, this was the light outside my front door. It looked really ugly and it wasn't working. I've been wanting to change it for a while, so I got this up and down light from Screwfix that I'm going to change it to. Now, if you have any doubts about your competence doing electrical work, please leave this to a professional. But if you would like to do it yourself and you're fairly confident, then please watch the video. Now, first thing I've done was I've taken the old one out, included a socket, like a 7mm socket to remove, and then it was screwed to the wall. I've taken the whole thing apart, even the plastic bit where the electrical wires go to, because everything was included in the new light. It only had a light and neutral. It didn't have an earth cable, which is ideally you should have one. However, this was how the old one was connected, and I've done the exact same thing for the new one. The whole thing took about 15 minutes to complete. That included time running back and forth to the shed to bring tools, and the total cost came to about £15. It was about £12 for the light, and I had to buy 2 bulbs as well, which I already had as I buy these involved. The wiring for this was fairly straightforward. You just connect the light and the neutral, and as you can see here, all the new color codes for the light, it will be marked L for the light and for the neutral, just whichever colors you got, just connect them, and it's a pretty easy thing. There isn't anything complicated with the wiring tool. And then I connected it back to the wall, and it was all finished. The whole process was so much easier than I anticipated, and came out great. We like how it looks at the end. I'm going to show you how it looks at night. Pretty straightforward. Please feel free to like or subscribe for more videos. Thank you.